Good morning, students. Today we will find the moment of inertia about a line which is making an angle with the given rectangular axis. Suppose given the moment and product of inertia of a lamina about rectangular axis OX OY in a plane, to find the moment of inertia and product of inertia about any axis through O in the plane. हम लोग XY प्लेन के अंदर एक लेमिना लेते हैं। XY प्लेन में मान लीजिए कोई एक लेमिना है, यहां पे OX and OY these are rectangular axis. यहां पे एक पेयर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर एक्सिस और है, एक OX डैश है, एक OY डैश है। सपोज OX डैश है वो OX के साथ में थीटा एंगल बनाता है। यहां पर अपन को ये दिया हुआ है कि OX के अबाउट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना है और OY के अबाउट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया कितना है। सपोज OX के अबाउट है जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है वो A है और OY के अबाउट जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है वो सपोज B है। अपन को यहां पर OX डैश जो OX से थीटा एंगल बनाती है उस OX डैश के अबाउट अपन को मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ज्ञात करना है। फर्स्ट चीज तो ये है, और सेकेंडली अपन OX डैश और OY डैश के अबाउट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इनर्शिया ज्ञात करेंगे। तो सपोज ये एक रेक्टेंगुलर लेमिना है, उसमें कोई एक पॉइंट P है जिसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू OX और OY x, y है। तो देयरफॉर दिस Pn इज y एंड On इज x। यहां पे एक m मास का एक पार्टिकल है, सपोज पॉइंट P के ऊपर m मास का पार्टिकल है, और यहां पे x डैश के अबाउट जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है वो होगा यहां पे समेशन my स्क्वायर विच इज डिनोटेड बाय a, और ये जो लेमिना है उसका OY के अबाउट जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है दैट विल बी समेशन mx स्क्वायर, जिसको अपन यहां पे b से डिनोट कर रहे हैं। और ये जो दोनों रेक्टेंगुलर एक्सिस हैं x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस, इनके अबाउट जो लेमिना का प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इनर्शिया है वो है समेशन mx into y which is denoted by f. Now we have to find out the moment of inertia of the lamina about OX dash which makes an angle theta with OX. Therefore here x axis के अबाउट जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है दैट इज a which is summation my स्क्वायर, y axis के अबाउट जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है दैट इज mx स्क्वायर which is denoted by b, एंड इनके अबाउट जो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इनर्शिया है दिस इज f, सपोज इट इज mx into y। तो ये एंगल थीटा बना रहा है, तो वी हैव एज्यूम्ड दैट XOX is angle theta. Let x dash OX angle x, so this is theta. OX dash के अबाउट जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया होगा, यहां पर P से अपन OX डैश के ऊपर एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन खींचते हैं जो x एक्सिस को आगे जाके Q पर मिलती है, और ये P से इसके परपेंडिकुलर दिस इज PL। तो OX डैश के अबाउट इस m मास का जो पार्टिकल है उसका जो मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया होगा दैट इज m into PL स्क्वायर बाय द डेफिनेशन ऑफ द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया। जो अपने जानते हैं कि किसी पार्टिकल का अपन किसी लाइन के अबाउट मोमेंट निकालते हैं तो उसका फॉर्मूला होता है मास इनटू उस लाइन से परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस का स्क्वायर। तो देयरफॉर द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया of the lamina about OX dash equals to, this is summation m into PL square. This is PL square. Now we have to calculate the value of P. Here PLK is a right angled triangle. So therefore here PL is, we can say this is PK. PL is PK cos theta. This is PK cos theta का square. So this can be written as, this is summation m. This is cos square theta. This is PK square. From the triangle PLK. From the triangle PLK. Now this is, therefore required moment of inertia about OX dash equals to, this is summation m cos square theta. Here PK, this is PK. PK is Pn minus Kn. This is Pn minus Kn. This is PK. PK is Pn minus Kn. This equals to, this is summation m cos square theta. Here Pn. Pn is y. Pn is y. Minus Kn. This is Kn. We know that here KNO is also a right angled triangle. So therefore, if you calculate by the simple trigonometry, here Kn is, this is Kn is x tan theta square by the triangle K and O. Here OL is x. Here OL is x. So therefore, Kn is O and tan theta. OL is x. Therefore, this is, it is x tan theta. After simplifying, we have, this is y square plus x square tan square theta. This is minus, this is 2xy tan theta. After simplifying, we have moment of inertia about OX dash equals to, this is, can be written as, this is summation m. This is summation m y square this is cos square theta summation m y square plus, this can be written as cos square theta into tan square theta, which is sin square theta. So this is sin square theta. This is summation m x square plus, it is minus, this is minus, this can be written as, this is minus 2, this is tan theta, and this is cos square theta. Cos square theta into tan theta is sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta cos theta. Cos square theta into tan theta is sin theta cos theta, or minus, this is summation m xy. This is summation m xy. We know that summation my square is the moment of inertia of the lamina about OX, which is x-axis. So therefore, this can be written as a cos square theta. Or summation mx square is the moment of inertia of the lamina about OY, which can be written as b. This is b sin square theta. This is minus. Or we also know that summation m into xy is the product of inertia of the lamina about OX and OY, or which is denoted by F. So therefore this is F, or 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta. So this is the required moment of inertia of the lamina about OX dash, which makes an angle theta with the OX. Now we have to find out the product of inertia of the lamina about OX dash and OY dash. So therefore product of inertia is there about OX dash and OY dash. This is summation M. This is X into Y. Therefore this is PL and this is PL into, this is PL into, this is Y. Y is, here this distance is PL, OX is, this is PL into Y distance is, this can be written as PL, this is PL into this is PL into OL. This is PL into OL. PL is the perpendicular distance from the point P to the axis OX dash, and OL is the perpendicular distance of the P from the OY dash. This is PL into OL. Now we have to substitute the value of PL into OL. Now we have equals to, this is summation M, here PL, this is PL. PL is, this is PL, PL is PK cos theta, this is PK cos theta, and OL, OL can be written as OK plus KL. OL can be written as from this time, because we know that OLQ is also a right angle triangle. So therefore OL can be written as OQ. This is OQ tan theta. This is OQ tan theta. OQ, this is OQ. This angle is theta. OL can be written as OQ. This is OQ cos theta. This is OQ cos theta. This is PK cos theta. This is OQ cos theta. This is OQ cos theta. We have found the OL. This is OL. Which we need the base of this triangle. OQ cos theta. This equals to summation M. This is cos squared theta. PK. This is PK. PK can be written as PN minus this is KN, or OQ. OQ can be written as ON plus NQ. This is NQ. This equals to, this is summation M cos square theta Pn. This is Pn. Pn is Y minus Kn. Kn is x tan theta from the right angle triangle KNO. And here is ON. ON is x plus this is NQ. We can calculate NQ from the right angle triangle PNQ. NQ can be written as, this is Y tan theta. This is y tan theta. After simplifying, we have this is cos square theta. This can be written as this is xy into y plus this is y square tan theta minus this is x square tan theta minus xy tan square theta. After multiplying these brackets, we have this is xy plus y square tan theta minus x square tan theta minus xy tan square theta. After simplifying, we have this is summation m xy, this is cos square theta plus this is cos square theta into tan theta, which is sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta cos theta. This is summation m y square. This is minus this is cos square tan theta, which is again sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta cos theta. This is summation m x square minus this is xy cos square tan square theta, which is sin square theta. This is sin square theta summation m x into y, which is sin square theta summation m x into y. This can be written as here summation m into xy denotes the product of inertia of the lamina about OX and OY, which is denoted by F. Therefore, this is F cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta can be written as this is 1 by 2. This is sin 2 theta. Summation my square denotes the moment of inertia of the lamina about OX, which is denoted by A. So therefore, this can be written as A. This is A by 2 sin 2 theta minus summation mx square denotes the moment of inertia of the lamina about OY, which is denoted by B. So therefore, this can be written as this is B by 2 sin 2 theta minus this is sin square theta, or summation m into xy is the product of inertia of the lamina about OX and OY, which is denoted by F. So finally, this we can write this is F cos square theta. This is A minus B by 2 sin 2 theta minus F into sin square theta. We can also simplify it. This is F. We know that cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. So this can be written as F cos 2 theta plus this is 1 by 2. This is A minus B. This is sin 2 theta, which is the required product of inertia of the lamina about OX dash and OY dash. Thank you. Have a nice day.